Hello students, welcome back. I am Rinkesh sir and today we will learn some basic concepts related to chapter number 10, that is straight line. We will learn some various forms of equations of line. Okay, so let's start. Various forms of equation of line. Okay, the first is horizontal and vertical line. Horizontal and vertical lines. Okay, now see, I am taking two examples. Let this be x-axis, y-axis. So see, if I draw a horizontal line means parallel to x-axis. Let's say this point is 0, A. Clear? Then the equation of this line will be y is equal to a, because at every point on the line, the y coordinate will be fixed, that is a. X coordinate will vary, but y coordinate will be fixed. So the equation of horizontal line will be y equal to a, where a is any numeric value. Okay, but if it is on the other side, now here this point will be negative, right? Y coordinate will be negative. So 0 minus a, then the equation of this line will be y equal to minus a. Okay, so remember, for horizontal line the equation is y equal to a. Okay, so this was about horizontal. Now for vertical line, again let's draw y-axis, x-axis. Now vertical line means parallel to y-axis. Okay, so if I draw a line parallel, and if this coordinate is b0, okay, then the equation of this line will be equal to x equal to b. Okay, if it is on the other side, means where the x coordinate is negative, then the equation of this line will be x equal to minus b. Clear? So remember, when the line is vertical, the equation of line will be equal to x equal to b. When it is horizontal, y equal to a. Clear? Means parallel to x-axis, y equal to a. Parallel to y-axis, x equal to b. These are the equations of horizontals and vertical lines. Okay? So first, note down this. Okay. The next is point slope form. Point slope form. It means that a point is given and the slope is given. Let's say that this is the line. Okay, this is point A, x1, y1. The slope of the line is equal to m. Clear? Means point slope form means a point of the line will be given and the slope will be given. Okay, so the equation of line will be m equal to y minus y1 upon x minus x1. How? I am assuming a point P as xy. So now y2 minus y1, so y minus y1 x minus x1, that will be equal to slope. The slope is already given. Okay, let's take example. Find equation of line passing through 5 minus 3 and having slope 2. Okay, so here m is equal to 2. Okay, and the point is 5 minus means this is x1, this is y1. What is the equation? M equal to y minus y1 upon x minus x1. This implies m, that is 2, y minus, what is y1? Minus 3, so it will be plus 3. X minus x1 is 5. So cross multiply, 2x minus 5 2s are 10 equal to y plus 3. Take on other side, 2x minus y minus 10 minus 3 equal to 0, or 2x minus y minus 13 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the line. Clear? So when point slope is form is given, means when one point is given and the slope is given, we will use the formula m equal to y minus y1 upon x minus x1. Clear? So this was about point slope form. Note down this. Let's see next. 2-point form. Okay. Now same previous concept. A point and a slope. Its slope was given. Now if 2 points are given, again let's take this as line, and 2 points are given. A x1 y1 and B x2 y2. Clear? Now see, what was the previous formula? M equal to, if only one point is given, then it was m equal to y minus y1 upon x minus x1. Now when 2 points are given, now what is the slope? Y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So instead of m, I can write down the value y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So now the equation becomes y minus y1 upon x minus x1 instead of m, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. This is the 2-point form equation of line. Okay, equation of line in the form of 2-point form means when 2 points are given, you have to use this formula y minus y1 upon x minus x1 equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Remember, any one of the point you can take x1 y1 and the other one will be x2 y2. Okay, you can also take point B as x1 y1 and A as x2 y2. Here, let's take example. Find the equation of line passing through 3 minus 2 and minus 5 3. Okay, so let's say this point as A and the other one as B. This will be x1 y1 x2 y2. What is the formula? Y minus y1. Y1 is minus 2, so plus 2. X minus x1. X1 is 3 equal to y2, so that is 3 minus y1, so minus 2, so plus 2 minus 5 minus 3. So 3 plus 2, that is 5, minus 5 minus 3, that is minus 8. Now cross multiply. So minus 8y minus 8 into minus plus 2, that is minus 16 equal to, find x, 5x, 5 into minus 3, minus 15. Taking everything on this side, 5x minus 8y, it goes plus 8y. Minus 15 plus 16. This implies 5x plus 8y minus 15 plus 16 plus 1. This is equal to 0. Clear? So, by this way, you will use 2-point form. Y minus y1 upon x minus x1 equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Using this way, you have to find out the equation of line. Clear? So, this was about 2-point form. Just note it down. Now, the next is slope intercept form. And slope and y-intercept is given. So, just a minute. Okay, yes, it was 2-point. Slope intercept form. And see here, the slope of the line will be given and y-intercept will be given. Let's take this as the line. Now slope is given like slope is equal to n. At this point, let's say this point is 0, c. Okay, so here y-intercept is equal to c, right? The point at which the line intersect y-axis, that is called y-intercept. So now the equation of this line will be equal to y is equal to mx plus c. This is the slope intercept form. Clear? Let's see example. Find the equation of line having slope 3 and y-intercept minus 5 by 2. Okay, so at that time it will be y equal to mx plus c. So now here m is equal to 3 and c is equal to minus 5 by 2. So y will be equal to m, 3x minus 5 by 2. Let's take LCM. 3x means 3 to the 6x minus 5 upon 2. 2y equal to 6x minus 5. So the equation will be 6x minus 2y, taking on the other side, minus 5 will be equal to 0. This is the equation of line that I have found out using slope intercept form. Remember, slope intercept form, y-intercept is given and slope is given, and that is y equal to mx plus c. That is the equation of line. Clear? So this is about slope intercept form. Just note it down. Next is intercept form. See, the previous one was slope intercept form. So slope and intercept is given. Now intercept form. So in this case, both x and y intercept will be given. Okay. So now let's take this as a line. This point A, A0 means x intercept is equal to A. And the other point B, 0B means the y-intercept is b. Okay, so in this case, the equation of line will be x upon x-intercept plus y upon y-intercept is equal to 1. That means x by a plus y by b, that is equal to 1. This is the intercept form. Clear? Let's take one example now. Find out the equation of line having x-intercept 5 and y-intercept minus 3 by 5. Clear? So in this case, a is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 3 by 5. So what is the equation? X by 5 plus y. b is minus 3 by 5, so let's take here minus 3 by 5 equal to 1. So taking LCM, 15, so 3x minus 5 is 25y is equal to 1. So the equation of line will be 3x minus 25y equal to 15, or 3x minus 25y minus 15 will be equal to 0. Clear? So this is the equation of line. See what we did, x upon x-intercept plus y upon y-intercept equal to 1. This is the general form of intercept. Then we rearranged, took LCM, and finally we got the equation 3x minus 25y minus 15 equal to 0. Clear? So this was about intercept form. Just note down. The next and the last for today is normal form. Okay, normal form. So now again, let's take. Okay, let's take this as a line F. Okay, now we have to draw a normal to the line from the origin. Normal means perpendicular. So let's draw a perpendicular. Okay, let's draw this as the perpendicular. This is 90 degree. And let the distance from the origin to the base or to the point foot of perpendicular on the line be P. Let's name this point as A. Okay, so what is P? The distance from the origin to the foot of perpendicular on the line. So this distance is P. Now if it makes the angle omega, okay, if it makes the angle omega, just a minute, P is the perpendicular distance, this one. If it makes an angle omega, means the normal, means the perpendicular makes an angle omega with x-axis, then the form of equation is x cos omega plus y sin omega is equal to P. This is the normal form of the equation. Clear? Remember, we have to first draw a perpendicular and find out the angle that this perpendicular or normal is making with x-axis. Okay, now let's take example. Find out the equation of line at a distance 3 units from origin and the normal to the line from origin makes an angle 30 degree. Okay, so in this case P, that is the perpendicular distance, is root 3 and the normal to the line from origin making an angle 30, so omega is equal to 30 degree. Remember, when it is given that distance from the point, that means that will be the perpendicular distance only and it's from origin. So the equation of line will be x cos 30 degree plus y sine 30 degree and P, that is perpendicular 3. Now cos 30, we know that this is equal to root 3 by 2. Sine 30, that is 1 by 2. Taking LCM, root 3x plus y by 2 equal to 3. That implies root 3x plus y equal to 6. Or root 3x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. This is the equation that we have found out using the normal form. Clear? Remember, the normal form is x cos omega plus y sin omega equal to p, where p is the perpendicular distance of the line from origin and omega, that is the angle that the normal makes with positive x-axis. Clear? So note down the normal form. Okay students, so that's it for today. Your next video will start with the exercise. Thank you.